How to fix Discord new login location detected on your account. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this you have to open apps option. Here we found all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search just for Discord. Wait. When you found it score, just open it like this, then go to storage option, then click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK, and don't forget the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.